Hi guys, okay, welcome back to another episode of Car DIY. For today's episode, right, okay, we'll be changing up the ambient lighting. Okay, we won't be buying another kit. I actually saw online, okay, there's someone who actually added LED strips, okay, into the existing ambient lighting. Okay, and for those of you who are driving a F10, okay, most of you, I believe some of you might not know that actually your car comes with ambient lighting, okay, but it is actually very dim, okay, and is hardly visible, okay, not just in the day, even at night as well. Okay, so today we're going to add in some LEDs, okay, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so before we start, please remember to like and subscribe, okay, for our upcoming videos. Okay, so without further ado, let's go. Okay, so guys, that is the end of the install. Okay, as you can see, it's quite an easy install. Okay, and by just replacing the wires behind, okay, and taking out the fiber optic light, okay, you can actually add in a LED, which is much brighter and much nicer. Okay, so this is about afternoon, so this is how it looks like. Okay, here you can see it is much clearer than the original one. Okay, and it's broad daylight now. Okay, and same, you can adjust the dimness, right? Okay, on how bright you want it. Okay, from this knob over here. Okay, yeah, because LEDs actually consume very little electricity. Yep, so you can see. Yep. Okay, and we'll include some night shots later on. Okay, so I hope you guys like this fix. Okay, remember to like and subscribe. Okay, and drop in the comments below what mods you want to see in the next episodes. So I hope you guys have fun in this episode. Okay, we actually have a lot of fun. Okay, stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.